So I'm just recording this video for those who are looking to either um, downgrade Windows or upgrade Windows, whatever you want. If you want to upgrade, it's probably better to go on the Microsoft update, Windows update. But if you're looking to downgrade, and if you come from my previous video from spoofing or just any video, I have made a downgrading video before, but people were getting confused. So I'm making a new video and I will link this website as well. And so what you'll be needing is a USB that's at least 8 gigabyte or 7 gigabytes. I'll highly recommend 8 gigabytes. And okay, so let me just go through. So you want to make sure that you go to the website and pick Windows Final, select the version. So you want to go on 1909, 19H2, um, or whatever you want to downgrade to. So I'll just pick 1909 for the purpose and select Windows 10 and select your language and just go into 64 and you'll get this little red button here. Once that pops up, hit download. You get a little advert. There you go. And it'll start to download. Once that downloads, it will be a little ISO file. It's about 5 gigabyte, I think. Yeah, so you can see it's 5 gigabyte. And what you want to go ahead and do is basically mount this into the USB. So instead of being one single ISO file, it will be multiple Windows file, which I will show you. I'll be back in a bit. One of the most important thing I do get asked on my other video was, am I going to lose all my files and what's going to happen? So I'll quickly go through that and I'll explain what happens. So for example, let's say that your Windows is installed on C drive. So usually it's on C drive. That's where it's installed. And for me, it's on C drive as well. If your Windows is installed here, all the files in here will be deleted when you install Windows. But for your other drives, for example, this is another drive that's built in my PC. This will remain the same because the Windows is not installed here, and this is where I store my games and other stuff. So before you actually install Windows, make sure that you know the size of the Windows. So you can see it's 222 gigabyte in total. We can go ahead and check like that as well. The maximum capacity is 222, and this is my other drive which I store my games and stuff. So if you have any important files, make sure you move it. And also to check where your Windows is installed, you simply click on that and you can see that Windows is there. Okay, there you go. That's how you check where Windows is installed. Yeah, apart from that, uh, yeah. So I will continue now to show you how to mount the ISO into the USB. The thing you want to actually do is right click, okay, format. Yeah, make sure you format it on NFTS and just press start. Okay. Once that's done, okay, it might take a while. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and double click on your USB and copy the files. Okay, once you're done copying the files, okay, there we go, it's completed. You can see we have the Windows version 10, 1909. So if you right click on it, it will say mount. Okay, there you go, and it will mount to the PC. So what you want to go ahead and do is go there and click on this. Okay, and just open a new one and then find your USB. Okay, my USB is there, and just transfer these files to there. Very simple. Just transfer. What you go ahead and do and just copy them there, and which I'm gonna do now because I already have these files already there. Just gonna move them, and once that's done,
So what is up, guys? So once you restart your PC, you want to hit the F2 or the delete key on your keyboard a couple times, and you enter BIOS. Okay, your BIOS will look different depending on your PC. Okay. So to boot from your USB where your Windows is installed, usually on my BIOS I go to advanced mode, and you should find one category called boot. Okay, and here you will go to the overdrive, a boot overdrive right here, and you can find your USB. Okay, so this is my one, you can see. Okay, and I will click on this UEFI and then the SanDisk Cruiser Blade, that's my USB, and I will double click that. Okay, so what it will do is boot into that USB directly where the Windows files are installed in the ISO files, and now we will just wait and should boot into the Windows installation. There you go. So here you just want to pick what you want. Yeah, press next. Okay, install now. Okay, so that'll be starting. Usually I just press I don't have a key, I don't have a product key, and go to pick what you want. I usually just go with the default home. Okay, and hit next and just agree to this. Okay, so what I usually do is go in custom windows. You always have to go in custom windows, and remember how we talked about your main drive. So my C drive was 229 gigabyte. Okay, and it does say primary, and so I know this is the correct one. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on this and either press delete, format. Okay, and once you delete, basically this will be like it will have a different name, but it will still say the total size. So you click on that and press next and continue. Okay, so for this purpose, I'm not going to press next because I don't really want to reinstall Windows. But yeah, so once you do that, that's pretty much it. So this will be my C drive. Yeah, if it doesn't let you install, you just either press format or delete on that drive once you selected it, and then you can press next and go ahead and install the Windows versions. Thank you.